Simplified data discovery with Moodbit Copilot. It integrates with your HCM data warehouses, Google Drive, and more, so you can ask questions in plain English and get instant answers. No more complex queries or jumping between platforms. Just ask your questions. How much is the voluntary termination rate, or give me the absence rate by department? Moodbit Copilot delivers the data and insights, acting as your personal data expert. Correlate data across sources for deeper insights. Moodbit Copilot pulls information seamlessly from different systems, saving you time and revealing connections you might have missed. Turn insights into action. Moodbit Copilot doesn't just give you data, it helps you act on it. Get step-by-step action plans tailored to your findings, making implementation easier than ever. Share your analysis with ease, instantly generate graphs, and build polished reports ready for your team or executives. Let your employees handle routine HR tasks like requesting paid time off or setting SMART goals. Walk the employees through the whole onboarding process in a few minutes and help them to complete all the necessary paperwork. This frees up your HR team and gives your employees faster and more convenient service. By integrating with your existing systems and leveraging employee data, Moodbit creates personalized career paths. Using SMART goals, feedback, and performance reviews, we help employees identify their aspirations and provide tailored development plans to achieve them. Moodbit AI Copilot, your HR AI agents for your enterprise.